Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to invite a friend to join a live video on Gmail with the updated method. Let's dive in. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Next, tap on the Meet tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Google Meet section where you can start your video meeting. Now it's time to start a new meeting. Tap on New Meeting to see your options. You'll have 3 choices. Get joining info to share, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. Pick the option that best suits your needs. If you choose Get Joining Info to Share, a new meeting link will be generated for you. Simply share this link with your friend through email, chat, or any messaging app you prefer. Once your friend receives the link, they can join the meeting by clicking on it. They'll be prompted to allow access to their microphone and camera before they can join the call. And that's it. You're all set to connect with your friend through a live video session on Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.